Okay. Oh shit. Okay, so sekarang ni it's 10:18 in the morning, and I have a shoot with Astro at 12, and I woke up late because I couldn't sleep last night, and I had like, I think I slept after subuh, like 6 something, so I had like less than 3 hours of sleep. Kenapa aku cakap English ni? Kenapa cakap English? I had like less than 3 hours of sleep je, and I look and feel dead inside. Dalam kamera tak nampak mati, but in person like you can see the kematian in me. This will be a rush tutorial. It will not be a talkative tutorial sebab I'm in a rush. But basically, makeup challenge untuk hari ni, how to not look dead. Okay, if you feel that inside, it's okay, tak apa. Ni pakai, because I nak muka I nampak glowing, sebab if muka I nak pucat kalau tak tidur. So I pakai this BECCA purple primer. So nampak glowing sikit muka, nampak like muka tak kuning sangat. This is my prime to cover the under eye. And then I pakai my Dior foundation ni. I pakai ni everyday sekarang. Like I love this foundation. I tak tahu harga dia berapa because I dapat from Dior. Dot it all over my face. And then I pakai some concealer underneath the eye. Seterusnya I nak pakai this powder from Dark. This ni powder from Dark. Ada tak shimmer? BB, what did you do this time? Oh yeah, ada shimmer. Good job. Pakai yang Tarte Pro Glow ni. Ni I pakai blusher Too Faced. Sekarang ni I sekali pakai blusher ni Too Faced. Ni I beli, ni I beli. Perfect flush blush, sparkling Bellini. Like I love this. I rasa macam like muka I paling sesuai peach blusher. Like, dia memang muka nampak segar gila. First I pakai this Dior highlighter ni. Okay, I pakai yang Tarte punya highlighter ni, palette ni. I pakai yang bawah daylight and spotlight. So tak buat dot sikit tengah-tengah tu. So I pakai setting spray this Slick ni, oil control over Decay. Okay, I dah buat kening eye. Sekarang I pakai lipstick sekejap, Forever HD lip booster. Mulai macam like so chapped. And then seterusnya I pakai apa yang pas ni? Oh, I macam masih nak pakai mata. Like apa ni? Masih nak pakai eyeshadow, so I just pakai my blusher as my eyeshadow. Letak all over the eyelid. Okay, just letak je all over the eyelid. Jangan fikir banyak, letak saja. Tada! Nampak mata I. Just letak all over the eyelid. Because I rasa macam like orange, peachy. Mata ni really buat nampak kita hidup dan berjaga-jaga, like terjaga, like awake. Okay, I'm not a makeup artist, so don't expect much from me lah. I'm just a lazy girl yang suka makeup. Okay, nampak ni. So I pakai like a fluffy brush and just like blend sikit, kasi dia blended lah. Okay, I'm lazy but I still nak make eye nampak on point. And then I pakai like a smaller brush ni and letak dekat bawah. To complete the eye look, I pakai the highlighter tu, letak dekat inner corner dan dekat brow bone. I buat eyeliner like tajam mampus. I takkan tunjuk everything, tunjuk satu mata je. But nanti if korang nak, I akan do like a dedicated video untuk just eyeliner je. Mascara from Tarte. Like this is like my newest favorite mascara. Terus sekali pakai falsies and lipstick. I pakai lipstick Huda Beauty in Bombshell. Okay, so I nak pakai tu, nak pakai tukar baju, I nak pakai falsies, and I'll see you in a bit. Okay, oh my god, terang dia. Sorry kalau terang sangat. I tak tahu. My camera is, yeah. But yeah, so this is the final look. Do I look dead or alive? Okay, comment below kalau I nampak bernyawa. Okay, nah, this is the final look. Nampak tak? Like, my god. Okay, sekejap. Okay, nampak. Okay, macam tu. So this is the final look. I hope you suka, like, just get ready with me thingy ni. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe if you haven't. Okay lah, bye bye, love you. Mwah.